coming to you tonight with a review. This review is from a company called Syhhh. This company you can find on Amazon.com. All the links will be in the description bar, so be sure to check down there for any information. As far as this product and any codes that may be beneficial to you. So yeah, wanted to come on here and bring you this product. This product is a multi-pant hanger. So I'm going to show it to you. It came in this box. It was nicely packaged. This box was actually inside of a box as well, but it came in this box, and I love this packaging. As you can see, it has the company's logo, and then at the bottom it just says a couple of things as far as this product is concerned. There's no hanging wet clothes on the hangers. It does have a turnable hook at the top. It has collapsible hooks, a swing arm, and good for hanging pants, skirts, shirts, etc. So yeah, I am going to show you what's inside of the box. So in the box, it did include these laundry hooks, or laundry hangers. There are 4 of these. So as you can see, the clip is here, and I will insert like an example of a picture with laundry being hung on these. So yeah, but these are the 4 laundry hooks that came in, which is very neat. I've never seen anything like this to hang laundry, so I definitely like these. They're awesome, because sometimes I do hang dry. Even though we do have a dryer, I do hang dry some laundry pieces depending on what it is. So yeah. And then inside it also had 2 of these multi-pant hangers. One of them I actually have behind me. Excuse me while I actually pick it up. But I do have some pants. Alright, y'all. So I do have some pants on this hanger, and I'm sure I don't have them hung right. I think they're supposed to overlap each other. I'm sure they are, so they won't be so bulky on the hanger. But this is what it looks like with the pants, and this just on it, and it just slides in and out right there. Then right here is the part that you will hang up in the closet. So yeah, but I'm going to show you the one that is empty, which is here. And these do have a 5 out of 5 star rating on Amazon.com. They're pretty new on Amazon, so not many people have reviewed these, but right now it does have a 5 out of 5 star rating. A little bit about the product. It is high quality metal, rotatable hook. You do have the swing arm, which is, I'm thinking it's that part. Yeah, this is considered the swing arm, and then the collapsible hook, which is like that, is able to go down as well. It's meant for any size. As far as clothing wise, you can fit just about any size on here. It is very detailed, as you can see. This is a sponge like material right here as well. It is time saving. as it detailed on the product listing, because you can put anywhere from 4 to 5 pants, I would say, on here, because you can use this bottom row as well. It is multi-purpose as well, and like I said, I will insert pictures. And then it comes with these hooks, so it definitely makes it multi-purpose, because you have this, and then you also have this for hanging your laundry and stuff like that. This is definitely a perfect item for at home or traveling. So it is definitely multi-purpose, and it said on the listing as well that it saves up to 75% as far as space is concerned. So yeah, this item retails for $19.99, which in my opinion is a unbeatable price. Like I said, you get 4 of the laundry hooks or clips, and you get 2 of these pant hangers. So for $19.99, that is an awesome price in my opinion. And you can save an extra 5% off right now on Amazon.com. So definitely go and click that link down below that will be in the description bar, and definitely check out this product and this company. I hope you love this, enjoyed this review. Thank you so much to this company for contacting me to review this item. I'm definitely going to put this in use. As you can see, I already have. So yeah, check them out, and I thank you lovers for watching, and I will see you in the next video.